Hi everyone, my name is Christopher van der Made. I'm a developer advocate security at Cisco DevNet. Today I'm going to show you a very short demo of the Umbrella Tunnel API. So we're starting out here on the developer.cisco.com/umbrella site. You can also get there from the menu, obviously, and it's right over here. First of all, I want to point you to new docs that have been released. So if you want to learn more about the Umbrella and CloudLock APIs, check out this one. Today we're going to focus specifically on the Tunnel API that allows you to create IPsec tunnels to Umbrella's cloud-delivered firewall, which can be very important in SD-WAN use cases, and we have a lot of branch offices. So that's point one. On this page you can find a lot of information. There's also a lot of learning modules. Today we'll be doing the network tunnel learning module. So as you can see here, there's a couple of steps. It's quite a short lab, but it will explain you exactly what you can do with the Umbrella Tunnel API. So we'll tell you what it is. We'll tell you some information about the various API endpoints that are there. You can obviously also check out the docs for that. There's also a couple of hands-on exercises. They will even explain you how to grab an API key, and they will be using pre-made Postman collection and environments, which you can easily download and import into Postman using this URL. And then it will give you access to all of this. So let's actually check it out. So here we have this collection which I've downloaded with my environment installed. So the API key is already there. So I can, for example, get a list of all data centers. This can be quite important when setting up tunnels. You can set them up to specific data centers all across the world, as you can see. These were all the European ones. Now what we'll do next is we'll actually ask for all of our tunnels. As you can see, it's empty. We do have a 200, but we just get an empty array back. I actually grabbed my org ID in the meantime over here. And as you can see, I don't have any tunnels configured. I just deleted all of mine. So what we can do here is I've also added in my org ID and enter a name here. We'll enter a prefix, prefix 2021, I don't know, and a secret, Cisco 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll hit send. And as you can see, my authentication wasn't long enough. So there are some minimum requirements. Let's see if we hit it now. No, can't count. Now it seems to be working. So it's pretty cool. What we now did is we created a tunnel. And if we refresh this, we now have our tunnel here. So it's not yet established because obviously I just created the tunnel here. I didn't do anything yet with it. But as you can see, the prefix is here. We have a tunnel ID. We don't have anything set up yet because obviously you need to make a connection to this tunnel, to a specific data center. Now what we can also do, obviously, we got a ID back. So we can obviously get a specific tunnel. So if we add the ID here, we can send a request and we get that same information back, as you can see here. We can also get policies actually for, so I need to grab my information here. The policy set to a specific tunnel. And as you can see here, you can see the default web policy and the default firewall rule are set right now. And finally, we can also delete the tunnel as well. Or by the way, let's list all of our tunnels first, as you can see, to prove that it's there. And then we can delete it. tunnel deleted successfully. And if we run this again, it's empty. So this concludes the demo. There is one more thing that we could have done. We can actually update and rotate credentials for a specific tunnel ID. I've skipped that one for now. But I hope that this shows you how you can programmatically use the API to create tunnels, change tunnels, delete tunnels, etc. And even rotate the credentials. So I hope this will help you for your SASE and SD-WAN related use cases. And I thank you for watching.